Resvent ventilator. It was but a turbine. You don't need any external compressor for driving this machine. You just switch on the machine and it will ask you adult, pediatric and neonatal. Whichever category, let us say some new patient, you can choose adult. Then either invasive or non-invasive, both options are there. And then you can come to directly, you can start ventilation. If you want to change the modes, you can do, or directly emergency, you can start the ventilation. Now this is the circuit is connected. Inspiratory and expiratory connected. It is connected to Tesla. This is the flow sensor. Here is the flow sensor connected. This is a proximal flow sensor which will give you the more accuracy. And this is your setting. This is your patient monitoring. See what you have set like volume control mode. You have set the tidal volume, respiratory rate, oxygen percentage, inspiratory time, PEEP, pause time, assist control mode, and then flow trigger, site. This is your set. And now you see the monitoring. 490 ml you have set. You can see how much is delivered. See here it is showing you 440 is the inspiratory tidal volume, 432 is the expiratory tidal volume. And PEEP, peak pressure, minute volume, respiratory rate, total, FiO2 and plateau pressure. This is the monitoring. Suppose you want extra monitoring, you can just touch this values, you can see the extra monitoring. Extra monitoring, like you can see the carbon dioxide, heat CO2, static compliance, dynamic compliance, and workup breathing, rapid swallow breathing, and resistance, compliance, and plateau pressure. All the advanced monitoring can be monitored here. Now apart from, suppose you want to see the loops, you can go to this page. You can see the PV loop, pressure volume loop, and this is your flow volume loop. Suppose you want to ETCO2 loop, ETCO2 loop also you can see, you can choose, or pressure versus flow loop, any loop you can see here. This is an advantage here. Next you can see the dynamic lung. So this is also an advanced monitoring. So this different monitoring can be done digitally as well as graphically, completely. Now this has got the video recording for the almost 5 minutes. This is for the documentation purpose, and you can just save it, and you can take in export, and in the pen drive you can export the data. Now screenshot also available. You can take whenever you want. You can take the screenshot. Freeze. You can say this even is this page. Suppose you can freeze it and measure the patient data. That is possible. Then you can have the 100% O2 suction available. Alarm limit you can increase, decrease, you can set it here. Then you have a function, special function, where you can do the nebulization or diagnosis or PV tools. If you go to diagnosis, you can do the P0.1 you can measure, intrinsic PEEP or auto PEEP you can measure here, negative inspiratory force you can measure here. Whichever you want, you just start, it will measure here automatically. Now coming to the again function, there is a inspiratory hold. If you just touch inspiratory hold, it will measure automatically your static compliance and plateau pressure. Both will be measured automatically. You can see the inspiratory hold. That will show. If you show similarly, if you hold expiratory hold, it will give you the auto PEEP. Expiratory hold, if you do auto PEEP, it will be measured automatically. So all these facilities, everything is fully loaded. This can be transported. You can use in ICU, you can use in intra-hospital transportation, or you can see that you can option of putting a cylinder. Through cylinder also you can give oxygen, or high pressure oxygen also you can give the oxygen. Both options are there. If you want to transport this, just for transportation purpose, touch the screen, hold it, and these 4 screws you remove it in hand only, no need absolute also. Take the ventilator wherever you want. So this is a multi-purpose ventilator, very sturdy, turbine never fails, machines 2 years warranty, turbine 5 years warranty. So maintenance free, even expiratory valve is a permanent also. No need to change the expiratory valve also for a longer time. That's all.